Hey there, everyone. Today it's all about fishing. We are heading to our plot or site, we will say. That's the airport, the airfield in Dimapur, and these are the paddy fields. So we are about to reach, and here we are. Now let's get back to what we are supposed to do. Just have a look around. That's the pond. Hey, that's Mulong. So he's taking the first start. The weather is good. There are a lot of fishes in the pond, and it's a beautiful day to fish. Just the best time of the day. It's been a while now. I shifted my position over here, and I'm nervous because I'm not able to get a catch yet. So far, no luck. That these fish are playing with us. They are tricking us, They are eating the bait. They are jumping around. You can hear the voice, They're slapping the water at our face. Terrible, man. The fish are very clever. Look at that. They're eating. They're having the bait. They're making my brother tired, man. Don't underestimate the fish kingdom. See, they are all around, laughing. I don't know if that's a catch, but the fish are nibbling my bait. I'm pretty sure of that. So I've shifted location. No catch yet. Been already 1 hour here. My friends, there's no luck today. We lost the battle. Fish are very smart.